Hey everyone, David Horowitz from Retrium here. Let's talk about data, because it goes underutilized in so many retrospectives. We jump right into finding solutions to problems without pausing to ask, well, what data is there that we can analyze to make sure we're even talking about the right problem or finding the right solution? Now, there are two different types of data you need to be aware of. The first is called objective data. These are the hard facts. Things like average cycle time plots, where you can see how long something was in different parts of your development process before being released. Things like burn down charts. Things like how many bugs were recorded in our bug tracking system in the past 2 weeks. These are hard data points that you can utilize in your retrospective to anchor the conversation. The second type of data that's equally important is subjective data. This is emotions, things like mad, sad, glad that many of us use in retrospectives, where you map when were people happy and when were people not happy in the sprint, is a great way of analyzing the data to make sure that everyone understands emotions on the team across time. Another great example of subjective data is something like a team radar, where you're asking people to rate, using numbers 1 to 5, how well different aspects of their work are going. Not hard data, you can dispute it, but it's data that helps you analyze the emotions and how people are feeling on the team. Both objective and subjective data really helpful in making sure that not only are you talking about the right problem, but that when you talk about a problem, if you come up with a solution, it's grounded in the facts. So use data in your next retrospective, put it up around the team room before you jump into the conversation, and take some time to analyze it to make sure you're talking about the right thing and finding the right solutions. Hey, if this video is helpful, please comment below. Make sure you're sharing with your friends and colleagues, and help everyone get better at our retrospectives. Have a great day, everyone.